Well, it's a random system. And YouTube even admits that if you go through their help section, they kind of admit, it's kind of random. If you got hit, oh well, we're trying to learn. And I've asked them and I've gone through their tech support. I noticed when I go through their tech support and I go through a series of emails with them that I won't have problems for a few days after. So to me, I think there's something they can do. And I even asked them, I never got an answer, but I said, can't you whitelist channels who repeatedly appeal and you guys see that their videos are okay? There should be a system where they can whitelist channels so that would lower their queue and then they can go after the channels that really deserve it. But because it's random, it can be your thumbnail. There have been times where I've changed a thumbnail and magically it changes to green. It can be a keyword. It can be a word in the description. It can be a link in a description. And I've had videos now lately that's changed too, where anything I change doesn't seem to make a difference. But right now I've got 4 on appeal, and I have no idea why they got flagged. And it could be something as simple as maybe because I have the word NHL in the description and as a tag, maybe they go, oh, this might be copyrighted material. But if I don't have NHL in the tag or the description, I can't attract new viewers because then it's just generic hockey related. And I've had people say, well, if you take NHL out, and they could be right, but then I'm losing any casuals that might come in. Same with the thumbnails. If I start just going with generic thumbnails, then I'm probably going to lose on gaining subscribers that way too. Like I went through VidMe, but VidMe I kind of got discouraged with in that your view base is going to be small, which is okay. It's not the end of the world, but B, they have a storage limit, and I would reach that storage limit really, really quickly with the way that I upload videos. And there have been people who've reached that limit, and then they delete videos, and then they still show as being at or over the limit. And so to me, it feels like that's okay as a backup, but YouTube is still, because it's Google and it's this massive conglomerate, that's the best way to make any money off of it. Patreon's been very good for me the last couple of months. I appreciate any of the help I've had on there, but YouTube is still, they're the biggest dog in the fight. I know Daily Motion also is kind of out there, but I don't know. I don't know that I would experience a lot of growth through Daily Motion at all, because I don't know anybody that uses it right now. Few that have gone to VidMe, I don't know anybody that said, oh, I'm going to Daily Motion. And then any of the other video hosters are either ones I haven't heard of or the ones that seem obsolete to me. So, yeah, I don't know. But it is frustrating, but I try not to let it get to me too much.